Hello. If you're wondering what happened to the lazy channel, why aren't there any videos anymore? Well, it's the lazy channel, so yeah, there you go. Anyway, let me zoom in there for you. It's not funny at all, but this is a broken LED light by the brand of iFix. It's probably a rebranding of something from China by a Dutch company that sells LED lights, and this one is a miserable piece of junk.
Hello, editor here. We need a little more information than that. I bought these lights in 2017 and they're the dim flame type, where the light gets warmer when dimmed. But the warm light LED of all of them broke within 2 weeks. After some trouble, I did get the money back. Since then, they've been sitting in a box, but I now installed them here, and one of them has started to fail even not dimmed.
So let's open it. I have a little tool here. The whole thing is of plastic. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh. It flies everywhere. I may need some other tool for that. One moment, please. There we are, there we go. That also doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, we can see a black spot on there. Well, not much to see here. Except my dirty, nasty fingers. Oh. One moment, please. Oh. There's a lot of nice things in there. I forgot I had this one. It's stuck in there. Maybe it's glued. Oh wait, of course, this is connected to that. Ah, there we go. Well, there's a lot of stuff in here. All that for a light that fails within in a very short time. So is this really better for the environment than a normal bulb? I don't know. I'm not judging, I'm just wondering. Well, anyway, let me take a closer look and draw the schematics for you. So yeah, this is the situation. The lamp gets power, but it's broken. Yeah, that's where my knowledge ends. Thanks for watching this completely pointless, silly video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.